Hello students, in this video we are going to study the remaining part of the chapter number 10. The chapter name is Day and Night and Seasons, class 5, subject EVS gcert. In the previous videos of this chapter, first we had seen about the rising and setting time of the sun. From the observations, we had seen that for the every day, this rising and setting time of the sun is not the same. And from this time difference, we had concluded that in the sum of the months, we are experiencing the long days and short nights, and in the sum of the days during the year, we are experiencing the short days are there and long nights are there. And from that we had seen that in June months we are experiencing long days and short nights are there, and in December month, that means in winter season, we are experiencing short days are there and long nights are there. So we are getting more time to sleep in winter months, that we had seen. Then after we had seen about the rise time of the moon, rising time of the moon, and we had also seen that the same like the sun, the rise time for the moon is not the same for the every day, and the percentage, or you can say the phase of the moon is also different from day to day. That means the same amount, or you can say the same size of the moon you cannot see the every day. It is decreasing day by day or it is increasing day by day. Then after we had seen about the different clothing sense which we are obtained during the different times of the year, during the different days of the year, or during the different months of the year. So now let we continue the remaining part of this chapter with different vegetables which we are finding during the different timing of the years or during the different months of the years. So here it is given to you on the page number 83. One table is given to you. You have to see first this table, then after you have to write and understand this table. Here in the table, the first row, you have to write the names of the vegetables noted in the tables. Observation 1, that means in the month of June, which kind of vegetables we are finding, or which kind of vegetables can be seen easily or can be get easily in the June month. Then after, in the observation number 2, you have to write the names of the vegetable which we can easily find in the month of September, and same like that in the observation number 3 table, or in the 3 column, you have to write the name of the vegetables which we are easily obtaining in the month of December. Next, in the second row, you have to write the names of the vegetables which is common in all the 3 tables, that means which we can find in all the seasons. Those kind of vegetables you have to write here. In the last row, you have to write names of the vegetables different from each other in tables. That means the kind of vegetables which can be seen in the particular season or in the particular month of June, September and December. So now let we see the answer for this table. So here the answer is written to you first in the name of vegetables noted in the tables, that means which we find in the month of June, that is bottle gourd, brinjal and potato. Next, in the month of September, we generally find bitter gourd, brinjal and potato. In the December month, we can find carrots, cabbage and brinjal. So this is the vegetables which we find in the month of June, September and December. Next, the name of the vegetable which we can find in all the seasons, that is potato, brinjal and bottle gourd. Same in the month of September also we can find potato, brinjal and bottle gourd, and in the month of December also we can find potato, brinjal and bottle gourd. Next is name of the vegetables which we can find particularly in the one of the season or one of the month. So in the June month we can find sweet potato and cucumber. Next, in the month of September, we can find bitter gourd and spiny gourd. The spiny gourd is like a round shape. You have already seen. It is green in color. It is round shape and it has the spines like structure on it, or you can say spikes like structure on it. So that is known as the spiny gourd. And last one that is we find in the December month, that is carrot, cabbage and peas. So these are the some of the vegetables which we find or which we are eating for the particular seasons. So if you had observed the previous table, you might say that it is difficult to say that which vegetable we are finding in the particular which season, because nowadays we are finding all the vegetables and all the fruits for all the season almost. So why it is there? So it is given here, reason is given to you here in this reading section, that in today's modern times, due to the uses of cold storage, scientific agriculture and improved seeds, most of the vegetables are available throughout the year. That means in these modern times with technology, we find the uses of cold storage. The cold storage is a kind of storage in which we are storing the vegetables and fruits on the very low temperature, so it will not get spoiled for longer duration, for longer time, and we can store those kind of vegetables and fruits for the longer time. So that is known as the cold storage. So the cold storage we had invented. Then after, scientific agriculture is also there. That means some kind of agriculture in that we are adding manures, then after fertilizers, we are providing them the crops, or the farmers are obtaining, or they are taking the certain kinds of agriculture, and because of that, with that the improved seeds are also there, and because of all this we can find all the vegetables and fruits almost in all these seasons. So most of the vegetables are available throughout the year. Due to this, it is not possible to differentiate the vegetables on the basis of winter, summer and monsoon. So because of this, some of this reason, we cannot differentiate the vegetables on the basis of seasons, that is which kind of vegetables or fruits which we are eating in the winter season, or which are easily available in the summer or monsoon season. Because this cold storage, scientific agriculture and improved seeds, the most of the vegetables and fruits are nowadays available almost in all the seasons or throughout the year. So this is about the vegetables and the food items which we are eating in the different seasons. So now let we see the different seasons of our country. Here the discussion next part is given to you. Here's one picture is given to you. You have to observe this picture, and then after you have to write two to three lines about this picture and what season is this. So here you can see that the two kids are there which are sitting near the fire, or you can say tent fire, and the sun is there, sun is smiling over there. That means this child or these children like this sun, and you can see that they are covered with the warm clothes, or they cover their all body parts with the cloth almost. So now which season is there? So from this picture we can say that it is the winter season. So now let we here write, you have to write about the winter season in this blank space. So now let we see about the winter season. So here about winter season is given to you, that winter in India is from the month of November to February. Winter in our country, it is from month of November to February we are experiencing this winter season, and the weather during this month is very cold in this month, and the people wear thick and warm clothes in this season like sweater, muffler, shawl, etc. So this is about winter that we are experiencing in our country between the month of November to February, and during this month the weather is very cold, and because of that, to protect ourselves, the people wearing the thick and warm clothes during this winter season like sweaters, mufflers, shawls, etc. So this is about the winter season. Now next picture here it is given to you. Here you can see that the one boy is there. He is in the swimming pool, or he is swimming in the pool, and you can see that the sun is also there. The sun is very angry, and you can see that the weather is very hot. So which season is this? So from this picture we can say that this is this summer season. So now let we see about this summer season. So here it is given to you about the summer season, that summer in India is from the month of March to June. It is between the month of March to June, and the atmosphere is very hot in this summer season. It is hot in this summer season, and people use thin cotton clothes in this season, and they also use fans and air conditioners. This is the season between the month of March to June, and the atmosphere during this month is hot, and because of this hot weather, the people they used to wear the thin and cotton clothes to fill them or to make them themselves comfortable, and they are with that they are also using the fans and air conditioner. So this is about the summer season. Now next picture is given here. Here you can see that the one boy and girl is there. They used to have the umbrella and raincoat, and the raining was there. So which season is that? So from the picture we can say that it is the monsoon. So now let we see about the monsoon. The monsoon in India is from the month of July to October, and in this season it rains, and we can see greenery everywhere. Because of the rain, we can see greenery everywhere. The trees, plants, and grasses grow everywhere. And in this season, people wear raincoat, cap, and gumboots. So this is about the monsoon season. It is between the month of July to October, and in this season it rains, and because of the rain we can see greenery everywhere, and you may also like to play in the water or in the rain. And in this season, to protect themselves, people wearing the clothes like the raincoat, cap, they are using umbrella, and gumboots that means here you can see that the people or this child wear the boots to protect themselves or to protect from the rainwater. So this is known as the gumboots. So this is about the three different seasons in our country, that is winter, summer and monsoon. But you may say that nowadays we are facing or we are experiencing these all three seasons within a day or within 2 days. So now why this is happening? So today, due to the different types of effects of pollution, the environment is harmed. We know the different kinds of pollutions are there. Air pollution, then after global warming is also there. So because of all these reasons, the environment is harmed, and because of this, apart from monsoon, rain falls in the other seasons also. In the winter also we are facing the monsoon or rain. We are seeing we are observing the rain is also there in the winter season. So that means in a day we are experiencing more than one season because of this climate change, or because of the environment is harmed because of the our pollution, or because of the effect of pollutions. So now here next some of the facts are given to you, that on 21st June the day is longest and the night is shortest. On this day, 21st June, the day is longest. That means the sunrise earliest and the sunset latest. So that means the day is longest and night is shortest. Another fact is 22nd December has the year's shortest day and longest night. That means on that day the sunrise is the latest and the sun sets earliest. That means the day is shortest and the night is longest. Next one is 20th March and 23rd September have equal days and equal nights. The daytime and night time is equal on 20th March and 23rd September. So these are the some of the facts about the length of the day and nights. Here some topics are given to you. You can discuss these topics with your friends. In that first one is incidence of disease increase in a particular time phase. A time phase in a year when the disease increases in your area. So we all know that about the COVID-19, it increases in our country, or it starts, or it is you can say identified in the month of March and April. So it increases in the month of March and April, and we face the lockdown during this time period. So this is the incidence where the when the disease increase in our area. Next is make a list of games played in different seasons. Some kind of games we are playing in a particular seasons only. So you can make the list of the games which is played in the different seasons. Like in summer we are liking, or we most like the swimming. So you can write the swimming as a game in the summer season. Then after in winter we like the outdoor games. So you can write some of the outdoor games in the winter seasons, and in the monsoon seasons we are playing indoor games because it is raining outside. So you can write about the some of the indoor games like chess, then after video games in the monsoon season. So you can make a list of these kind of games which you are playing in a different seasons. Next is find the reasons for day and night being long and short. We had seen that in summer the day is long and night is short, and in the winter the day is short and night is long. So what is the reason behind this day and night being long or short? So you have to find the reasons. Like the one reason is that the earth axis is not straight up and down at a 90 degree angle, but is instead tilted a bit. That means earth is not straight up, it is slightly tilted on its axis. So because of this slightly tilted earth on its axis, the day and night is long and short, or we are experiencing day and night as long and short during a particular season or during the particular time of the year. So this can be the reason. So you can also find the reason for being the day and night long or short. So here our chapters, chapter number 10, that is day and night and season, gets over. In this chapter we had seen about the day and night, what is the reason behind the day and night being short, and how we had concluded that in which particular time the day is short or day is long, or night is short or night is long. We had also seen that there is the difference between the rising and setting time of the sun. Then after we had seen different seasons in our country, in which month we are experiencing these different seasons in our country. Then we had seen about the rise time of the moon and different phases of the moon. In that we had seen that like sun, the moon rise time is also different for every day, and with that the size of the moon which we are observing every day is also different from each other. Then we had seen different clothing sense we had obtained for the particular seasons, and different vegetables which we are finding for the particular seasons. In that we had also seen, because of some scientific improvement or inventions, we are today nowadays almost all the vegetables are available throughout the years. Then after we had seen also the side effect of these inventions, that pollution has increased, and because of the pollution increase the environment is harmed, and because of that in a day we are experiencing more than one seasons, and even sometimes we are experiencing almost 3 seasons, that is winter, summer and monsoon, in a single day. So these are the things we had seen in this chapter. In the next video we are going to see the exercise, notebook exercise for this chapter. The textbook answers you have to write in your textbook, that is your homework. In the next video we will see the notebook exercise for this chapter number 10. Thank you.